Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Today I wanna show you how to make repeat patterns in Illustrator. This is very easy and this is very fun. So before starting guys, if you're new, subscribe to my channel and stay connected from anywhere in the world. So let's start. Create new. I'm selecting here A4 size. The document is opened guys. Now I'm taking here ellipse tool. Guys, I'm simply making a ellipse shape. So from here I'm clicking on this, I'm holding these anchor points like this, you can see, like this, make them somehow up like this. So from here click on this point and convert, click this to make the sharp edge like this, you can see. Now guys, take this ellipse tool again and with the help of Alt and Shift, press Alt and Shift and make a circle like this. I will tell you how to make a perfect pattern very easily in a cool method. I've selected this and I'm going into the window. I want the brushes right here. See, I have these brushes. I'm making a new brush. From here click here and click on pattern brush, hit OK. You will have this and now click OK. You will have the pattern right here. No, I don't need this. I need a new circle. I'm pressing Alt and Shift and make a circle like this. I'm filling here color white. I want the white color here, hit OK. I'm clicking on this pattern. See, wow. Cross this and cross this also. You will see here strokes. Guys, click here like this. If you make the strokes smaller, you will get the different patterns. See, like this. I'm taking 0.5. No, I want 0.75. I'm making it bit smaller, more smaller. Now I'm making the stroke 0.5 like this. You can see guys this. If I make the stroke more smaller, let's see what happens. You can see here this. Guys, I'm making another circle by pressing Alt and Shift like this, and I want brushes, so I'm going here and I have these brushes. Guys, I'm making it size smaller and I have also made the stroke smaller. I'm taking 0.25 and let's make it size somehow. Guys, you can see this. This is looking so beautiful. I'm loving this. Guys, if you want to group this, simply select this with the help of this tool and right click and group. You can see now this is grouped. You can place it anywhere. I'm placing it here because I want to show you another. So I'm making another circle. I'm filling the color black like this, black color. Simply press Alt and Shift and drag this down. Guys, by pressing Alt and Shift I have made this copy. Now I want here pathfinder. Go right here and see for the pathfinder. I have this pathfinder here. I have this window right here. So I'm selecting this and I want to select this all and simply click here. You will have this. Guys, I'm rotating it like this and I have this right here. Simply make a copy by pressing Alt and Shift. Guys, by pressing Alt and Shift I have made its copy. Now press right click and transform and reflect. Click on vertical and hit OK. You can see I have this right here. Guys, I'm making group of this by selecting this and hit group. I have this like this. You can make a copy by pressing on Alt and Shift button and press Ctrl D to make more copies. Guys, simply select this and make the size smaller by pressing Alt and Shift so that it does not disturb the size, like this. Guys, I have these two. I have made a copy by pressing Alt and Shift. Guys, now I am rotating this because I want to show you a pattern with vertical and horizontal. So from here I'm going into the brush and I'm going here to make a new pattern brush, hit OK, click on approximate path and hit OK. You have this right here. Now simply click right here now click right here and click here on plus and pattern brush, hit OK and you will have this, hit OK. You will have here another brush. Now you don't need this anymore. I'm placing it beside. I don't need them now. Now I want this ellipse tool. I'm pressing Alt and Shift to make a circle and I want here white color. So hit OK. Now simply click on this. Guys, you can see this. Taking the stroke to 0.5. You can see this is how it looks. If you want to make another circle in center, then let's see how that will look. Guys, I'm simply grouping this. And click on group. I'm placing it at side. Now guys, I want to show you another shape. I'm taking this circle and I want to have this right here. I'm decreasing its stroke to 0.5. You will see how it looks. Wow. I'm decreasing its stroke to 0.25. Like this, you can see. I'm decreasing its size. I want the size here 0.5. Guys, if you like my today's video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so that you can get more designs like this. Okay, this is all for today. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.